We're back! Houshmand's Hazardous, the hot sauce that funds Rowan scholarships, is picking up steam. News of Houshmand's Hazardous has been spreading like wildfire.
Let's head now to South Jersey, where a local university president is using sauce, really hot sauce, to fund scholarships.
The president of Rowan University created a hot sauce that's turned into a hot seller.
He donates the proceeds to Rowan's Student Scholarship Fund.
It says on every penny that we collect from here, all of it goes for need-based scholarship.
Oh, God.
All right, he's grabbing for the milk.
And it's no wonder. With 100% of the proceeds going to fund scholarships, this is a feel-good story that's supporting scholarships while tickling taste buds. And we're just getting started. To celebrate National Hot Sauce Day, Houshmand's Hazardous hosted a cook-off contest where students, alumni, and local chefs prepared homemade recipes featuring Houshmand's Hazardous as a key ingredient. The entries spiced up the night and tested our judges' tolerance for jalapenos and habaneros. But in the end, only one dish could prevail. Think you can handle the heat? Houshmand's Hazardous is available now. It's all hot and delicious, and it all proves President Houshmand's commitment to make a difference in higher education and in people's lives. So go ahead, buy a jar, help students.